So in this chapter we take a look at the basic orientation of Myriad. And this is Myriad, it's loaded up. We've got our 4 tabs over the left hand side: Audio Wall, Instant Carts, Database and Log, and we'll have a 5th one come up there in a second. So the Audio Wall, this is where all of your audio is stored, and it's always in number order from 1 to whatever you set. It's user configurable, but say 1 to 10,000. And this basically does contain all the pieces of audio that you've got on your system, which you can then drag down to a cart player. We've got our jump buttons here that jump to particular numbers along the audio wall. If you just jump to music here, I've loaded in 1 song so far. And so this is a cart and what a cart looks like. And from here you can just left click and drag it down to a cart player. And then when you're happy with whichever cart player, you just release the mouse button and it loads it up into a cart player where you've got a play, pause, requeue and eject facility. We'll go over all of these in much more detail in the Myriad course for general users. That's coming up in another module. So then we've got the audio wall. We've then got Instant Carts. Instant Carts allows you to drag anything from the audio wall onto a cart from 1 to 20. And you can have personal Instant Carts and shared ones. And these will play instantly whenever you hit the corresponding number. The database, that will show you everything that's in your database. If you're using AutoTrack, then it will show you all of the categories that you set up in AutoTrack. And also when you categorize your music that you add to the audio wall, it can show you those categories that you set there, and that enables you to drill down into categories. And then the log, which is empty at the moment, this is like your playlist, your running order for your show. So that's where the items will be for if you're using it in live assist or automation mode. Just go back to the audio wall here. We have the ability to find on the audio wall. You can just type in the track that we've got, either the track or the title or the artist, and then it goes and searches the audio wall, and from there you can again left click and drag. You also have the ability here in the database to do a search for items that you've got in the database. So the other tab that you will see along the left hand side will be the Smooth Edit tab. That only comes up when you actually highlight an item to edit. And so this enables you to title and artist and describe the song, and allows you to trim and edit the details on it. So that really is Myriad. That's how to get around using the tabs: audio wall, instant carts for instant playback, database for your music library, and also your links, and the log for your running order, and smooth edit to do any changing of titles or editing the audio at all.